Okay guys, so this is how I've set up my overhead camera. This is a normal camera which comes still here. Here I've got a mic arm, as you can see, which is attached to the table, and from there I've just gone ahead and attached the overhead camera, just a normal webcam. There's nothing much to it, and if you see, the wire is going from behind and it connects to the USB port. It is kind of messy, but this is how I have set up. This is the major setup which I have done. So let's go ahead and check in the PC how we go ahead and do it. I'm just recording this in the PC, and you will be able to see how the overhead shot is captured in the camera which I just showed you. And this is in OBS Studio. Okay, and you can just go ahead and record everything. I'll just take a screenshot if possible of this. Just give me a minute, and I'll put it how I set this up in the OBS Studio. I'm just taking a snapshot of this. Just give me a minute. Let me just take a camera shot of this. It'll be easier for you to understand. So which you can see. Let me add the screen recording over here. You can see that also. Let me add a display capture. So as you see, this is the overhead camera where I have gone ahead and kept this. Screen where I'm able to go ahead and locate the uh, overhead camera over here. All you have to do is go here and select the camera whichever you want after connecting to your PC, and the OBS does the work. You can attach a mic also over here like I've done. You can go ahead and attach this, or you can also go ahead and set up any changes or any default resolutions, and you don't have to spend much for any of the other things over here. So it's as simple as that, and you'll be able to go ahead and take overhead shots like for this or anything like that. I've just kept an extra over here which is not more needed. Also, we can always reduce the size over here. To just show to you how it works, I'm going ahead and doing this. I'm showing you how by using a normal camera and OBS you are able to make recordings without any issue. And if you did like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Until next time, you're watching Kamal, and you have a wonderful day ahead.